Good evening. A brief respite from the recent rain today with some sunshine at first today about the central and northern divisions. The early sunshine is not expected to last long as clouds associated with Ula start to push over Fiji later tonight. The break in the weather today represents the break between the tropical depression 07F, which still dominates Ula while it's moving from the west. Rainfall is easing for the time being and flood watches and warnings in force earlier have been now cancelled. Tropical disturbance 07F and tropical cyclone Ula are both evident over waters west of Kandavu and over central Tonga waters respectively. Cloud is evident in parts around Fiji today, although showers were confined mostly to the afternoon and evening. Rain will increase tonight as cloud associated with Ula approaches from the east. The wind chart shows both of the active wind circulations while moderate southeast to northeast winds cover the Fiji Islands. Tropical cyclone Ula will move steadily west-southwest towards Fiji tonight and tomorrow and is forecast to start affecting Fiji directly from tomorrow night. Ula has the potential to bring tropical cyclone impacts to southern parts of Fiji over the weekend and early next week. Please remain alert to the risk of hazardous weather in the new year. Mostly cloudy across the west tomorrow with showers on and off through the day. Fresh to strong and gusty southwest winds. Showers continuing on Monday. For the north, cloudy with occasional showers tomorrow with isolated heavy falls. Fresh to strong and squally southeast to southwest winds. Rain increasing on Sunday with winds tending gale force southwest to southerly late tomorrow night or early Sunday morning. Overcast with periods of rain heavy at times with some heavy falls for the eastern division tomorrow. South to southeast winds tending gale force southwest to southerly tomorrow morning. Strong wind warnings are current for all coastal waters with winds strengthening to gale force over the southeast tonight. Mariners are urged to stay ashore for the time being and refrain from using small craft in coastal waters. As we transition from TD07F weather to Ula weather tonight, we can expect weather to deteriorate again tomorrow as damaging gale force winds commence over the central and southern Lau Islands tonight and then spread into the central division later tomorrow. Rain will become very heavy for prolonged periods later on Sunday as Ula approaches. Rain and flood watches and warnings are likely to recommence over the central and eastern divisions. Listen for advisory messages regarding tropical cyclone response from local authorities as they become active and check NaDraki website and Facebook page for details. You should be finalizing your pre-cyclone preparations now. Those likely to experience direct impacts should have an evacuation plan if required. All the latest weather forecast and warning information will be available on our webpage at NaDraki.com and our Facebook page. Please stay alert to changing weather conditions this weekend and stay safe. We will continue updates over the weekend, so please check in tomorrow evening for the latest weather information. From the MyTV and NaDraki team, we wish you a safe weekend.